Happy morning students. Coming back to the chapter triangles, 10th problem. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lies on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that first one CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Second one, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. He has given the figure triangle ABC and triangle FEG, where here he is given CD and GH or the bisectors of angle C and angle G. I am marking half of my angle C as 1 and the other half as 3 and half of angle G as 4 and the other half as 2. Now going into the problem, given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Since these two triangles are similar, its corresponding angles are equal and its corresponding sides are in proportion. Now we want to prove CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. I am going to take the triangles which are involving these sides and I am going to draw the triangle separately. So I have drawn the triangle separately. I have taken this from the full triangle. I have drawn it separately here where CD bisects my angle C. So I am taking my half of angle C as 1 and GH bisect the entire angle G. I am taking the half of my angle G as 2. So now I am going to prove that these two triangles are similar so that I can prove that its sides are in proportion. Now consider triangle ACD and triangle FGH. We know already that angle A is equal to angle F. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, it is given in the statement. So I got angle A is equal to angle F, calling this as equation 1. Similarly, the same statement, angle C is equal to angle G because of triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Now I am multiplying half on both sides. So multiplying half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. So coming to the figure, where this angle 1 and angle 2, since my angle C and angle G full entire angle are equal to each other, my half of C will be equivalent to half of G. So I have written angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now coming to the proof. Hence I got two corresponding angles from equation 1 and equation 2 are equal. So by AA similarity criterion, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. Therefore, its corresponding sides are also in proportion. So CD by GH is equal to AC by FG by CPST. Second subdivision, to prove triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE, I am going to draw the triangle separately from the whole triangle. Now I have drawn the triangle separately. I want to prove that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE and I am going to mark this half of C as angle 3, half of G as angle 4 here. Now coming to the solution. Consider triangle DCB and triangle HGE. So already by the previous proof, that is a first proof, we got that CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. So keeping here, then the next one, it is given in the statement, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So we got the sides of these two triangles are in proportion. So I am writing AC by FG is equal to BC by EG. Comparing 1 and 2, we get CD by GH is equal to BC by EG. So these two sides which are involved in the triangle DCB and HGE. So we are going to prove these two triangles are similar. We now got CD by GH is equal to BC by EG. So we got the two sides of these two triangles are in proportion, and as well as we know that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Since the entire angle C is equal to entire angle G, my half of 3 will also be equal to half of G. So I got angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So I got CD by GS is equal to BC by EG, and the second one angle 3 is equal to angle 4. SAS similarity, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Seventh problem, in the given figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC if AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Now coming to the figure, he has given the triangle ABC. So this ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC. Then your CB side is extended to E and it is joined with F. He has given that AD is drawn perpendicular to BC and EF is drawn perpendicular to AC. We want to prove that ABD triangle is similar to ECF triangle. Since it is an isosceles triangle with the side AB is equal to AC, we know that the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Therefore, angle B is equivalent to angle C. Now coming to the solution, consider triangle ABD and triangle ECF. So in these two triangles, we will be knowing that angle ADB is equal to angle EFC. Each angle is 90 degree. So we will see in the figure. In ADB triangle, where AD is perpendicular to BC, so my angle ADB is 90 degree. Similarly, in triangle FEC, my EFC is 90 degree since EF is perpendicular. So coming to the problem now. We have stated angle ADB is equal to angle EFC 90 degree. Then as we said before, angle B is equal to angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So I got two angles are equal from these two triangles. So by AA similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Hence proved. 12th problem, sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. He has given the figure, the triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and AD and PM are the medians of the triangle ABC and PQR, where the median divides the base into two equal halves. So here I want to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Since he has given that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, so those two sides of these two triangles are in proportion. So if I prove angle B is equal to angle Q, I can use SAS similarity to prove triangle ABC is similar to PQR. So in order to prove angle B is equal to angle Q, first I need to prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Now coming to the solution, consider triangle ABD and triangle PQM. As in the problem, it is stated that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, which is proportional to the medians AD by PM. So I am writing this AB by PQ as it is. In BC by QR, I am going to multiply half with BC and half with QR. I'm writing this as half of BC by half of QR, which is equal to AD by PM. Since this is half of BC, I can write this half of BC as BD, where BD is involved in the triangle ABD, and half of QR as QM, where QM is involved in the triangle PQM. So going to the figure, half of BC I am writing it as BD, and half of QR I am writing it as QM. We get AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. So where these three sides are involved in the triangle ABD and triangle PQM. So by SSS similarity, I can prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SSS similarity. Since these two triangles are similar, the angle contained in these two triangles are equal by CPST. Thus I got angle B is equal to angle Q, calling this as my equation 1. Second case, we want to prove that the full triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Already we know in the problem, it's given in the statement that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Those two sides of the two triangles are in proportion, and we got angle B is equal to angle Q. So where this angle is included between these two sides, so I can use by SAS similarity. So to prove the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now coming to the solution. Consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR as given in the statement. The two sides of the two triangles are in proportion. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, and already we proved that angle B is equal to angle Q. So two sides and one angle. So this angle is involved between these sides. So by SAS similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, hence proved. 13th problem. D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB dot CD. So it is enough that I can prove CA by CD is equal to CB by CA. So coming to the figure, he has given the triangle ABC and D is a point on the base BC, and he has given that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. We want to prove that CA by CD is equal to CB by, since these two sides are involved in the triangle ACB and DCA, I want to prove that the triangle ACB, the full triangle, similar to triangle DCA. Since these two triangles ACB and DCA, I have angle C as common, as well as we know by the statement angle D is equal to angle A. With this concept, I am going to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now coming to the solution. Now consider triangle ACB and triangle DCA. So as we said, angle C is common to both the triangles, and already it is given in the statement ADC angle is equal to angle BAC. So these two angles are involved in this triangle ACB and DCA. So I got two angles from these two triangles are equal. So by AA similarity criterion, triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA. So automatically this corresponding sides of these two triangles are in proportion. So I got CB by CA is equal to CA by CD by CPST. So when I cross multiply, I will get CA squared is equal to CB dot CD, hence proved.